NASA's Aura satellite is one of several spacecraft that are helping scientists study the Earth's atmosphere. Along with ground instruments, it can analyze the atmosphere and pinpoint its composition. It builds a picture of the nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide that together make up 99% of the air we breathe. This computer visualization shows how the Earth's atmosphere changes over 24 hours. During the day, oxygen, seen here in blue, rises all over the planet. At night, carbon dioxide, shown in orange, is on the rise. And the oxygen we need is given to us by plants.
Before plants, there was no oxygen in the atmosphere. So plants did all the hard work of allowing the atmospheric concentration to build up over time, allowing all other life to develop. They made the place habitable for us.
Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and expel oxygen. They produce so much that the vast Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the Earth. But the real picture is more complex. The verdant wilderness of plants and animals is one of the oldest, most abundant living systems on Earth. Over 2 million square miles of lush rainforest teem with half the world's living species.
The Amazon is the largest natural preserve of life on the continents that's left in the world. Thousands of miles of almost virgin forest, thousands of species that have been there for an awfully long time.
So dense is the Amazon jungle that it has a dramatic impact on the air above it. It starts in the trillions of leaves far below. We can use animation to show what this invisible process, known as photosynthesis, might look like. During the day, the leaf takes up carbon dioxide from the air, seen here in orange. It converts the carbon into sugar for energy and growth, and releases oxygen, seen in blue. Each one of these trees will release hundreds of thousands of cubic meters of oxygen in the course of its life. And as for the Amazon as a whole, 1/5 of the world's oxygen is produced here. But there's a surprising twist. We will breathe almost none of it. Satellite data and ground measurements revealed that almost all the oxygen the Amazon produces during the day remains there and is reabsorbed into the forest at night.
With the advantage of the satellites, we can now see that the Amazon basically uses all its own oxygen and uses all its own carbon dioxide. It is, as far as we can tell, almost a closed system in itself, almost.